Wow. Wow. Wow, so nice.
Float.
Honey, do you know why the lemon is float?
Hi guys.
Today we are doing experiment. Look, Sunny, do you know what that's?
Water.
And
Color. Salt.
and
Ice.
okay. First, Sunny needs to pour water inside the glasses.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Very good. Enough. Too much. It's okay. No worry. Wow. And now Sunny put some salt inside one glass. Okay, mommy, have you? Sit down, please. We only put some salt in this glass, okay? More, please. I think that we need more.
And then enough.
Can you mix it? It's mixed well. What's the mixing?
Put the salt.
Yeah,
Put on.
yeah. Next, Sunny puts ice inside the glasses.
So big.
Yeah. Okay. One ice is for another glass.
So big.
Last one. Sunny put some colors in the glass. Yeah. Sunny think that what happened when we put some color inside?
Enough.
I think that one more drop. Okay. And now another.
Enough.
Yeah. Sunny see. Sunny look. What happened? What happened?
I don't know.
Sunny look. This one. This glass. Oh. Sunny, do you remember what did you put in this glass? I think that okay, enough, too much. Sunny, remember what did you put in this glass?
What happened?
Because shanks were added to the glass, the shank water in the glass is heavier, so it holds the colors and doesn't let it sink down.
Mix.
Okay, Sunny can mix it.
It's running down.
Yeah. And now Sunny puts the water inside the glass.
Erupting.
More, please. More, please.
Okay.
Oh, enough. Okay. But Sunny, do you know what that?
Lemon.
What that?
Lemon.
It's a lemon, right? And now Sunny put lemon inside the glass. Sunny, do you think that what happened when you put the lemon inside?
Yeah.
But Sunny, do you think that what happened?
I don't know.
Okay, Sunny, put it down. Oh my God. What happened? The lemon sink or float?
Pink.
The lemon sink or float?
Pink.
Yeah. And now, Sunny take the lemon out with spoon. Finish me hat. Well done. Now I have an idea. Sunny put some shards inside the glass. Please, more. More, yeah. Sunny mixes. Okay, enough. Sunny puts lemon inside the glass. Sunny, do you see that what happened? Oh, this lemon is sink or float?
Float.
Honey, do you know why the lemon is float?
Because we put salt.
Yes, good. When we put some shards in the water, make the lemon float. Okay. And now Sunny squeeze the lemon. Well done. Sunny, do you know what that's?
Baking soda.
Wow. Wow! Wow, so nice! Do you like it?